Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Aryan Rajesh. Today is day 3. We are in Srinagar. Now we are headed towards Kargil via Sonamarg and Dras, and we'll explore Kargil today, the Kargil War Memorial on the way, and Hunderman's village. Srinagar city has woken up, and it's a lot of school kids. We are navigating through the town of Srinagar. We are almost out. We'll be connecting to the main Srinagar Leh highway. Just see this Sindh River. Wow, all this is glacier water. The views have started. We have exited Srinagar almost 99%. Leh is 400 kilometers. Kargil is 174. Folks, we have exited Srinagar now. Now we are in Sonamarg Dras Kargil highway. So this is NH1. NH1 is the highway, and the views are already superb, man. We're excited to see the snow-capped mountains. We haven't had breakfast, but we'll see. We'll have it in Sonamarg. Folks, just see the view there. Sonamarg is around 34 kilometers. Just see the view. We are going gaga over this view. Folks, we just had breakfast here. We are 9 kilometers away from Sonamarg. We'll be heading there now, click some pictures, see Sonamarg, and we'll continue. Dras is 71 kilometers, Kargil is 128 kilometers. Folks, see the mighty Sindh River, or Indus. Here they call it Indus. The water is so fresh here. Welcome to Sonamarg. Nice, right? Just check out the view, guys. Every turn there is a new view. Every turn you will be mesmerized with the view. But you will get easily distracted with this view, so be careful when you are riding. So what is this? What is happening? Allah, yen maga idu nijaglo. Huh? There. Oh shit. And there is this horse riding. I think they'll take you to the glaciers and back. Tunnels are getting built over and out. You can see the tunnels there. Amarnath campsites are also here somewhere. It's around 20 kilometers from here to Amarnath Yatra. We saw few camps and a helipad. I think those are Amarnath camps, I guess. There is some blocker here. I think they're doing some construction, so they're blocked. What is this, man? Oh, lift and nodre ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗಾಡಿ. Folks, we have entered Kargil. As you can see with the checkpost, the military area has begun. The famous Kargil war happened between India and Pakistan. We lost some of our soldiers. Now we are heading out to the Kargil War Memorial Museum. We'll have lunch. It's around 1:40. So we'll have lunch and then head out to the museums. This is Kargil War Memorial. We went inside. We saw the memorial and all the details about the war. So that is where somewhere is Tiger Hills, the top one. Not sure how it's coming in the camera, but yeah, the highest mountain is the Tiger Hill where the main war was fought. Really respect for our soldiers and the army people who are securing the borders still and working hard and serving the nation. Really respect for them. See this landscape now. It's all dry this side of the section, and the river is not leaving us. It is flowing right next to us. Not sure, but to camp, this place will be amazing. You can do camping here. This looks, this is proper stone wala mountain range, hard rocks and all that. So there will be some landslides also. You can see the river flowing. That side, I think it's heavily cloudy. We don't know. We have planned to visit this place called Batalika. That was a strategic point in Kargil war between Leh and Kargil. So we wanted to see that place. It is 55 kilometers from Kargil. We'll go, we'll dump the luggage, and we were planning. But see the weather there. Weather has its own plans. And it's a bit cloudy. There is also raining. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
सिंगल है डबल है सर बाइक में?
सिंगल बाइक में सिंगल है.
ले जा रहे कि
आज कारगिल स्टे हो गए ना?
आप कौन है सर?
ओके. Folks, we just reached Kargil. This guy in front of us is taking to a hotel. We just met him at the checkpost. He said he'll give us a good deal with the parking and all, so we thought we'll check it out. Parking okay. Okay.